The manifest shows 3 pallets of camel hide, confirmed on the tablet.
And the health inspection report is valid, verified.
Okay, bring it down slowly. Watch the side there. Clear on the left, Jeff A. Moving it in now.
The data confirms full compliance with REACH and CPSIA. The heavy metals screen passed.
Professional documenting station employs Saddlery's hazard-leading format systems, delivering color-accurate documentation.
Wordly. The thickness profiles on this batch are inconsistent, and the defect rate is slightly high. Yes, the acceptance rate.
First stage washing operation begins as workers load approximately 550 kilograms of camel hides into Swiss-built.
Integrated water management infrastructure incorporates continuous flow centrifugal separators extracting suspended solids at 8,000 RPM. 8.25. Primary rinse cycle initiates as 4,500 liters of filtered water at optimal temperature floods. Operators utilize hydraulically powered extraction devices to extract the washed camel hides. The materials are
Allergy point to the word listening the Yavuari Grunsti, AIDS Devil. Salhunsuhai Spiced Spot Cleaning Station feature 8.28 Secondary deep cleaning cycle employs advanced enzymatic cleaning solutions containing.
Look closely at this section here. The scale patterns are still showing residual contamination.
You're right. We need to adjust the chemical concentrations and extend the cycle time.
Right.
8.3 deep red. Final washing stage utilizes mild acidic rinses at PTHCH.
8.32 Mechanical dewatering operation employs continued dewatering systems with controlled G-force up to 50 G.
Material handling. This is Zone 4. The batch is secured at the limbing station.
The pH is stabilizing at the target level. Confirm. The composition is precise.
Lambing processing begins as workers load batches of rehydrated camel hides into 6,000-liter industrial tumblers.
Climbing process is complete. We are drained.
Roger that. Unherring equipment is primed and ready to go. The tensile strength results are confirmed, well above the minimum requirement.
Perfect. We can clear this lot for the saddle line.
The fleshing operation is complete. Ensure the horizontal division meets the exacting quality standards.
Monitoring the critical parameters now.
This sophisticated facility handles Bactrian camel hide processing using advanced manufacturing and
Just check the split. We are within the premium tolerance range.
Utilizing computerized control systems, we verify dimensional accuracy and material properties at every manufacturing checkpoint.
The uniformity on this batch is exceptional. Check the automated scan results.
99.8% consistency. The robots are perfectly calibrated.
Advanced chromium tanning processing continues in the specialized processing area, where camel hides undergo chemical.
The tensile strength exceeds the premium saddle threshold by 15%. Industrial-scale chromium tanning processes camel leather, utilizing high-capacity processing equipment and
Advanced dyeing and color application continues in the specialized processing area, where camel hides undergo.
The color uniformity is excellent.
Tensile strength also exceeds the minimum requirement.
Look at the penetration reading here. Yes, the saturation levels are perfect. We can increase the speed.
Assertive. Male African-American leather technicians apply decades of industry expertise combined with modern analytical instrumentation.
Moisture levels are stable across all batches. The conditioning phase is complete.
Confirmed. The dimensional accuracy meets the...
Process monitoring shows optimal softening. We are fully compliant with international standards on this batch.
Industrial scale softening and mechanical processing operations. Development.
The tensile strength is well within the parameters for premium saddle applications. And the texture and
Advanced softening and mechanical processing continues in the specialized processing area, where camel hides are...
Industrial scale softening and mechanical processing operations process camel leather through fiber manipulation and
Advanced softening and mechanical processing continues in the specialized processing area.
Industrial-scale precision cutting and pattern optimization operations process camel leather, utilizing high-capacity processing equipment and computerized control systems.
Using industrial-grade equipment, including German-engineered machinery, Italian precision tools, and computer-controlled automation.
Resin. Advanced precision cutting and pattern optimization continues in the specialized processing area.
The pattern optimization allows the robotic arm to cut the camel hide with surgical precision, meeting all
The laser scan on batch 42 looks good. We are clear for final assembly. Advanced industrial stitching and assembly continues in the specialized processing area, where camel hides under...
The tensile strength is well within our rigorous standards.
And the finished saddle is flawless. Truly premium quality.
Advanced final quality control and packaging continues in the specialized processing area, where camel hides on inspection complete. The hide meets all regulatory standards.
Ready for the cutting phase.